Okay, so if you're using Excel to edit your grades and then upload it into Blackboard, be sure that you start with an Excel spreadsheet that came from Blackboard. So it's going to have all of this stuff already populated in it for you. So I'm in the Full Grade Center and I'm going to look for the Work Offline button at the top right and then select Download. And I want to download the Full Grade Center, keep it tab delimited, and I'm going to open it up on my computer. So I hit download and I have the option to open it with Excel, which is what I want. And yes, I want to open it. So here's that Excel download that came from the Grade Center. Now you'll notice as you move your column across your cursor across these columns, you'll notice there's a code that gets populated up here. You want to keep that code. And then for anything that's new, like so now you're grading in a different program or whatever, and you've got a new column that you want to add and upload to Blackboard, you would call this column, let's say, Quiz 1, and you would go down the line and give the students grades for their quizzes. So let me just enter some data here. So of course I'm still in Excel, I'm just putting data into this. I'll keep one of them blank, a couple, into this column. Okay, and we could do the same thing for another column. Let's do that. I'll just paste it and call it quiz 2. Okay, so they've taken 2 quizzes, and well, let's call this homework 2. And the numbers are, I'll just leave them the same, but just to show you what this process is like, okay? Maybe we'll do, okay, so now we save this, and we're going to save it on our desktop, and we want to save it as CSV. Actually, hold on a second, I gotta figure out which one we are saving as. Yes, we're going to do File, Save As, and we're going to keep this as a CSV, comma delimited file. We'll call this Grades Katie, and I'll put it on the desktop. So .csv, and that's okay. Okay, so now I go back to Blackboard in that same class, back to Full Grade Center, and notice I've just got those original columns in here still. I haven't touched anything in here. So now Work Offline, I'm going to say Upload. And I'm going to say Browse my computer, go to my desktop, and find that Grades Katie CSV. There it is. And I can keep the delimiter type auto. It'll figure out its comma. So here I submit. And now it's telling me what it's found a match for. So these are the things that are in the spreadsheet that are also in the Grade Center already. And then here are the 2 columns that I created in Excel that are also going to be uploaded because these are checked. I could choose to not upload those, but they will be uploaded, and here's the data that's uploaded, that's going to be uploaded to those 2 columns. So then I hit submit, and then it tells me that that was successful, and now I've got those 2, the quiz 1 and the homework 2 columns. Notice the ones that were kept blank are still blank here. So that is the process that you'll want to follow if you're planning on entering your grades into Excel. You'll want to start with an Excel file that was downloaded from Blackboard. Then you can make all of your edits in Excel and upload it to Blackboard in the way that I've shown you here.